Let's start our dog drawing by drawing a quick sketch. Do the circle for the head, do a crossbar to mark out where the eyes will go. First eye, second eye. Now let's draw the nose. Quick circle for the nose. Another smaller circle inside the nose. That maps out where the highlight will be for his nose. Don't need to be very accurate with your sketch. We're just mapping out with our lines so that when we get to the marker tool, it'll be easier for us. Draw the mouth, draw the tongue, draw his ears. Now draw his body. Quick little lines for his body. And now his legs. Using lots of quick strokes and circle drawings. Do his toes, little marks for his toes. Now the front legs. And again, you don't have to worry about how accurate these lines are. It's just going to give us a good guide to go on for our marker tool. There, our sketch is pretty well done. Some quick scribbles to mark out where we'll have his mouth darkened. Now we can switch to our marker tool and we'll go over our sketch lines with the marker. Start with his face. Now when we're using the marker tool, we'll try to be a little more accurate with our lines. We'll start with this half circle for his face, and then his tongue, and then another half circle for the other side of his face. Let's draw the nose in, and the highlight for his nose, a little half circle there. We'll fill it in. Two small circles for his eyes. And now let's do his mouth. And we'll fill that in too. And now we'll draw his ears. And let's start on his body. Two small quick lines for that, and then his legs. Let's put those toes in there, and his front legs too. You can see that our marker lines aren't lining up exactly with our sketch lines, and that's okay. We're just using the sketch as a guide. Two small toes for the other leg, and let's finish off his body with some short lines at the bottom. Now our marker sketch is pretty well done. Let's use our eraser tool now to erase our sketch lines, which will leave only the marker behind and a nice clean drawing. This part's pretty fun. You just erase any place you see any of your sketch lines. There we go, all done. Now we have a nice clean line drawing. Now you can color your puppy or your dog however you would like, using a crayon or colored pencil. For me, I'm just going to color his tongue and a little bit around his eye. Just use a nice red for his tongue. and a light brown color around his eye. But you can color your dog however you would like. Thanks for watching.